Ready to learn how to thread your sewing machine? Too bad, you're gonna. First things first, make sure this guy is all the way up. It also means that your needle is all the way up. It's also helpful to go ahead and raise your presser foot. Some people call it a pressure foot. Some people call it a cutie booty footy wooty. You can call it whatever you want. From there, when you got those up and open, you are going to take your thread and run it through this first loop. Then behind this little hooky lever, you're going to go down and around and up to the inside of this guy and come around through. You'll make sure that it goes all the way through the hole. And then down and over this little hook here. This is what helps guide your thread to the needle. And then this teensy tiny hook, make sure, I don't know, I guess same thing, keeps it going. Trim the edge so you got a nice clean tip, and then close one eye, use two fingers, say a quick prayer, and just get that thread right through that needle. Can't believe I did it on the first try. Holy heck. Okay, so you're going to pull it through the front to the back, and you also want to make sure it is threaded underneath your presser foot in the right way, depending on your foot. Then you can manually roll it toward yourself over there, and it will pull up your bobbin thread. Newer machines will do this automatically, but it's just a good habit to get into. It makes your first few stitches nicer. All right, you're ready to sew. Let's rock and fucking roll, baby. A do 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 do. Thanks for wasting your time with me. Waste more time by liking and subscribing and watching another video. Thanks.